The Adventures of Polly, the Pirate Parrot. Polly the Parrot was a curious bird who loved to explore. One sunny day, she found an old, dusty pirate map in her nest. "Wow, a pirate map! This could lead to hidden treasure," Polly exclaimed with excitement. Polly decided to set sail on a grand adventure. She flew to the harbor and found an old pirate ship. Polly climbed aboard the ship and hoisted the sails. "Adventure awaits," she chirped. As Polly sailed across the ocean, she spotted a friendly dolphin named Danny. "Where are you going, Polly?" asked Danny. "I'm searching for hidden treasure. Want to join me?" Polly invited. Danny happily agreed to help. They sailed on until they reached a mysterious island. The map showed a path leading into a dense jungle. Polly and Danny ventured into the jungle. Suddenly, they heard a rustling sound. It was Sammy the snake. "Don't be afraid," Sammy hissed. "I can help you find the treasure." Polly and Danny welcomed Sammy's help. The trio followed the map through the jungle. They faced many obstacles, like a river filled with snapping turtles. With Sammy's help, they crossed the river safely. Next, they encountered a tall, steep hill. Using vines and teamwork, they climbed the hill together. At the top, they saw a large X marked on the ground. "X marks the spot," Polly cheered. They started digging and soon found a big wooden treasure chest. Polly opened the chest, and it was filled with sparkling jewels and gold coins. "We found the treasure," she exclaimed. "Thank you for your help, friends," Polly said. "This treasure belongs to all of us." As they sailed back home, Polly felt happy and proud. She had made new friends and had an unforgettable adventure. Back at the harbor, Polly shared her treasure with the other animals. Everyone was thrilled and celebrated together. Polly realized that the greatest treasure of all was the friendship and teamwork she had found. From that day on, Polly and her friends often went on new adventures, knowing they could always count on each other. And so, Polly the Pirate Parrot lived happily, always ready for the next grand adventure with her friends. Time to sleep. Good night,